Hey all, Pat here with Pat's Ride. The postman delivered. We have goodies to install. First thing here is I've got the toolbox that goes here. I've got the headlight protector. And then somewhere in here is the kickstand extender. And we have the kickstand extender to put on. So stick around, stay tuned. We're going to do this first. We'll come back with a couple other videos to do the toolbox and the headlight protector. I'm going to peel this coating off first. Of course, easier said than done when you have no fingernails. Yeah, it's pretty. It won't be that way for long though. Can only go together one way. As you can see. Got to get her lined up just right. You have 4 washers and 4 nylock nuts. 8mm socket, by the way. Hold this right now. And there you have it. The kickstand extender is installed. You do have some more backing tape like this on this side. I'm just going to leave it, let it wear itself off naturally. Alright, thanks for watching. If you got anything good out of this, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification for new videos. Thanks again for watching.